feel like John Wick. I turn the club to a mosh pit. The government can't keep us locked down, cause bitch I'm too locked in. No, I am never clocked out, cause I'm always clocked in. Suit and tie with a pole on me. I feel like John Wick. I feel like John Wick. Whoa, 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 whoa. I feel like John Wick. Whoa, 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 whoa. I feel like John Wick. Whoa, 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 whoa. The government can't keep us locked down, cause bitch I'm too locked in. Let me start out by telling these people what they're really talking about. I'm not really giving a damn what they say. The government is only telling people what they wanna hear. God, all we got is better, we get a brain. I don't trust nobody no more now. I'm knocking the door down, we going to war now. We not gonna fold now, my heart is so cold now. We never gonna slow down, I'm spitting the full round. Better duck like Affleck, we up like NASDAQ. Today I got 20 bands in the cash app. So when you puff, puff, you don't need to pass that. We don't care about your followers and hashtags. Used to be broker, then broke, ain't no money. I hope I was getting so close to my grave. Close to the edge of my rope, had a homie sell.
Ué?
Não, ele tá mirando o preto.
Pô. Anh rời thầy. Anh rời thầy. Pegou, Pia? Não pegou?